Date is April 5th, and Aubrey is just talking up a storm. Thought I'd come get the video camera. Oh yeah? She's got a nice little mohawk here. Just put it in jammies. She doesn't seem quite tired for bed yet though. Oh yeah? You're getting so talkative and smiley, aren't you? Hi. Hi. You say hi. You go to the park with your big sister today? Was that fun? I'm drilling a lot. Maybe I'm working on some teeth already. Yeah, whole body shot. She's kicking her legs a lot. And they love their changing table. It's a little happy place. Hi. Hi, sweetie.